guys, I'm Jason, this is Freebird Garage, and today we are installing a tool roll bar bag by Kemimoto. Kemimoto was kind enough to send this to me. This tool roll bag essentially holds all the tools you're going to need when you're riding down the road, and it matches with their other bar bag that keeps it all nice and compact. So let's open up the package, check it out, and get on the bike. All right, unboxing the roll tool bar bag. Let's check it out. Slice this thing open, all brown packaging, nothing special there. Oh yeah, let's see. All right, let's check this out. Let's get this first, the part number that we got here, which is the X003CQ1JDR. Okay, comes in a nice bag here, it's tucked away, no mold going on. Okay, we got the Kemimoto logo. And that's going to be our straps here, right there. All right, it's got like a nice leather outside right here for a portion of it, and a textured nice canvas style on the outside as well. Feels nice and tough there. Cool. Checking out the insides. Wow. Look at that compartment bag. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we have nice little netting area over here, keep protected out of the elements there. We have the opening, cool. Throw our bigger wrenches going to here. All of our small tools lined up on this side here, so you guys can see that there. And let's see, we got another package here. All right, another compartment to store away. I really dig when there are zippable, sealable areas for bags because there's just not enough space sometimes to keep stuff out of the elements, and having that is just nice, especially if you have something that's nice electronics or something you don't want destroyed. So then you got a carabiner on the outside, and this is a waterproof PVC plastic is the actual name of the stuff that's here, this leather looking side, and the other side right here is called Oxford. Let's get this bar bag on the bike. All right, before we get the tool bag on the bike, we need to load it up with some tools. We got lots of compartments to work with. Let's start off with the plastic side here. And I'm gonna load this up with something that I think more should have on the bike, and it is a bag of bolts that fit particularly for your bike. And now my FXR, I've had a lot of parts that came on, came off, and stored all the extra bolts that fit this bike. I go with this bag quite a bit when I need something extra or something that's stripped out. So definitely on the road, when this thing shakes, this bag will come in handy. So we're gonna load that down into this bag. All right, now the middle area, you can get pretty crazy. There are a lot of different sizes and stretch holds and everything on here. So what I thought would go great with mine, go over a couple of them here. And we have one tire gauge. You never know where you're gonna be sitting at, and you wanna make sure with night and day difference, or if you have a small leak, you wanna make sure that you're filling up to the right proper. Here we go, we got that stored in there. And let's see what else. We got a pick. Never know when you're gonna need one of those, whether taking off the carb, need a little extra hand, get that stored away. And of course, some of my common wrenches that I use. And we have now area for the bigger stuff that you're probably gonna wanna have on there. We got a crescent wrench, real handy, bigger bolts, don't want to carry a bunch of different wrenches. This will cover you, of course. And real common here, we got a flathead and a Phillips. Specialized Allen head sizing, this is for my trans. Never know when you gotta check that, so I'll throw that in there as well. All right, so this is how we're looking so far. And then we gotta fill up the two inside bags that zip up. And I'm gonna store some of my tools that a little more bulky. We got a pair of channel locks here, a pair of dikes, and some needle nose, okay? And of course, all the other Allen heads that you could use will go in that bag as well. Mechanic wire, real handy if you got any parts that decide to want to hang off your bike and you got no way to put it back on. Having this spare will get you through at least to the next stop. Roll that in there in the bag as well. Okay, we are pretty well loaded down now. Let's see if we can roll this up. All right, so take it, fold it like this, then to this, and take your straps. We'll get them through the little loop right here. Velcro it tight on one side. Make sure nothing wants to come loose. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. There we go. Bam! All of that nicely tucked away. That has everything essentially that I could possibly fit without getting a whole, socket set, Allen set that's all ratcheted in there. Dig that, all right? So let's get this on the bike. I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways to get this bar bag on these handlebars. I have T-bars. These are about a 6.5 inch rise. All bars are gonna be different, of course. And this is a universal fit, but should work for most and all bikes. We have 2 straps here, real simple. You just gotta get them around the bars that you have. Mine are right there. They just tuck them up real close. And there we are. Tucked away, good to roll, looks awesome, and held secured. Now, I also have the other bar bag, which I'm gonna show the combination between this one and the other one. So the other handlebar bag right here has 2 straps below to hold a roll. And we're gonna size this up so it can match what's going on down below. So we will get this strapped up. So there's the full look right there. We're gonna get our bar bag now up top, strapped up. So all that put together makes it for a great riding bag. And I got one other shot to show you guys of how this bag can help you on the side of the road. All right, so you're broke on the side of the road, the woods, parking lot, whatever it is, your bike's got a broken, leaking something. You gotta figure out what it is to get you back home. You grab your tool bag that you just created and you're stoked to hopefully use it, and you got the right tools, and you gotta lay it out. So we're gonna unvelcro this and look at all of its glory of what you packed. Where do you set it? Either on the seat, let it roll off, tools fall, scratch your paint, not a fun time, or put it in the dirt and let your tools get all nasty about you kicking around, screaming at what you need to get done to get on your bike. Or you use the carabiner and you throw this right on a safe area, right there, and now it's looking at you. You're laying on the ground, you grab the tools, everything's laid out, keeps it nice and tidy, and not a bunch of dirt in there and grime. You gotta roll back up. Really stoked on this bag and how it carries everything that I need. It's got this Oxford fabric, this PVC coating for waterproofing. It is a fantastic bag to have on my bike. Stoked to use it. Guys, if this interests you, I will have a discount below. Check it out. Kemimoto, thanks for sending this. And as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you. As always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.